Hello everyone. Welcome to part 1 of my outdoor kitchen construction series. In this video, I will take you through the design and step-by-step process of building my outdoor kitchen, which I initially completed in December 2024. I will start by explaining the detailed design of my outdoor kitchen. The countertop bed has dimensions of 52 centimeters in width, 172 centimeters in length, and 9 centimeters in thickness, including the countertop tiles. The total kitchen height is 88 centimeters, also including the countertop tiles. In my design, I have a specific area for a one-burner gas stove. The countertop bed for this area is lower than the main kitchen sink countertop, with dimensions of 39 centimeters in width and 52 centimeters in length. I must mention that this video will mainly consist of pictures, as I did not record a video during the construction. However, I will thoroughly explain each step of the construction process. Hey DIYers and pros, welcome back to Mart Daily DIY channel. Before we fully begin, let's make sure we're staying safe. Grab your eye protection, gloves, and a mask if needed, and let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips to help me make more videos. In this part of the video, I will show you the materials I use for the construction. This rubberized washer sealing plug will be used to fully seal the 2-inch PVC drainage pipe when I insert the P-trap of the kitchen sink. It ensures that the drainage pipe is airtight, preventing any stinky air from the drainage from leaking out. We need an acrylic sealant for filling gaps that need to be painted over later. For sealing gaps around the kitchen sink, a silicone sealant is required. For the wood or lumber, I primarily purchase it from City Hardware in our city. The wood they provide is already treated. I made a hole under the kitchen's back wall for a 2-inch PVC drainage pipe. This is a provision for the drainage pipe inside the house kitchen, which I plan to construct later. We need an indoor kitchen, as there are often reptiles and occasionally snakes outside our house. I made a 1-inch deep horizontal hole, or chip out in the concrete wall, to create a pattern for the countertop concrete slab. Under the kitchen, I have laid out and installed 3/4-inch water pipes along the back wall. I also installed a 3/4-inch threaded elbow for the main kitchen sink faucet and a T-fitting for a secondary faucet. Lastly, for the kitchen outlet on the countertop, I laid out the electrical wiring. I used a 3/4-inch electrical PVC and an orange flexible hose for the electrical connection highway. I tapped into the existing outlet under the kitchen and added a junction box. Additionally, for safety, I installed an electric AC breaker to prevent electrical overloads. This step ensures that the electrical system is protected and minimizes the risk of electrical hazards. I erected the 8.5 centimeters thick concrete walls on the left and right sides of the kitchen. I made a wooden frame for the kitchen front cabinet using mostly 3.5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters, 4 centimeters by 6 centimeters, and 2 centimeters by 8 centimeters treated lumber to protect it from decay, insects, and other elements. The wooden frame also acts as the front support for the countertop. In this part, I started the countertop preparation. The left and right concrete walls have protruding rebars, which I bent to connect the horizontal rebars for the countertop concrete bed support. I welded the rebars together for a stronger connection instead of using wire. This is the part where I installed fiber cement boards as the bed support for the concrete countertop. I used leftover or used fiber cement boards because I wanted to save money on this construction project. Repurposing these materials not only helped reduce costs, but also made good use of available resources. I installed an electrical junction box for under kitchen lighting and also installed a light and switch under the kitchen. The light, when illuminated, will help us see the items inside the kitchen cabinet during nighttime, providing better visibility and convenience. I made a frame for the concrete countertop using cut plywood with a thickness of 3/4 inch and a height of 7 centimeters. Matching the countertop's thickness. I created a 35 centimeters width by 50 centimeters length hole for the kitchen sink and made a plywood cutout for the sink frame. I painted all the walls inside the kitchen with white primer paint, including the ceiling, floor, drainage PVC pipes, water PVC pipes, electrical PVC pipes, and junction box. After preparing the kitchen countertop, I started pouring the concrete. I used a mixture of 1 sack of cement, 2 sacks sand, and 2 sacks of stone aggregate for the concrete. I began pouring on the 1-burner gas stove area with dimensions of 39 centimeters in width and 52 centimeters in length. At the back of the gas stove area, I made a hole for the gas stove hose provision by placing a round vertical foam piece. This way, I could easily remove the foam once the concrete dried. Additionally, I made sure to use screws for the concrete countertop frame to ensure that the wet concrete would not spill over. In this part of the video, I have already poured all the concrete on the kitchen countertop, and it has hardened over 2 days. To ensure proper curing of the concrete, I made sure to pour water on the countertop twice a day. This helps in maintaining the moisture content necessary for the concrete to cure properly and achieve its full strength. In the final part of this video, you can see that I have placed my nano black stainless kitchen sink. This video covers the construction up to this point. The kitchen still lacks tiles, a kitchen sink, a faucet, backsplash tiles, outlet installation, cabinet plywood floor, kitchen cabinet pull-out basket or stainless dish rack, a stainless kitchen utensils rack, and other necessary features. Overall, I am satisfied with my work as I have accomplished the design and dimensions I envisioned, along with the necessary features of the outdoor kitchen. Stay tuned for part 2, where I will show you the finished kitchen countertop, the kitchen sink installation, and other kitchen features. As you may have noticed, our outdoor kitchen area is not particularly large. It's only around 60 to 90 square meters. Just to give you some context, I live in the Philippines, and this lot size is quite common for affordable house and lot packages here. Despite the limited space, I'm thrilled with our home, as it allows me to fully immerse myself in my passion for DIY projects. I'm excited to share with you some of the creative and practical solutions I've come up with to make the most of our compact outdoor kitchen. From maximizing storage to creating multifunctional spaces, I'll be showing you how you can achieve a functional and stylish area, regardless of the size. Stay tuned for tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides that you can easily apply to your own spaces. Let's get started and make every square meter count. Thanks for watching my first home improvements vlog. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY home improvements or makeovers and DIY tips, and to help me make more videos. God bless.